Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota 4Runner versus Hyundai Santa Fe. The 4Runner is a legendary off-roader, while the Santa Fe offers a refined urban experience. We'll explore their distinct strengths, from engine power and capability to interior comfort and technology. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the 4Runner's 4.0-liter V6 engine delivers 270 horsepower, perfect for tackling tough trails. Its body-on-frame construction and advanced four-wheel drive system make it an off-road champion. In contrast, the Santa Fe, with its available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine offering 281 horsepower, focuses on a comfortable and efficient on-road experience, making it ideal for daily commutes and family trips. Inside, the 4Runner offers a straightforward, durable cabin designed for adventure, with plenty of physical buttons and ample cargo space. The Santa Fe, however, presents a more contemporary and refined interior, featuring higher quality materials and advanced technology. While both comfortably seat 5, the Santa Fe often boasts a more intuitive infotainment system and a more luxurious feel, catering to a different kind of driver. Considering value, the 4Runner is renowned for its exceptional resale value, making it a solid long-term investment. The Santa Fe often comes with a more attractive initial price point and a generous warranty, offering great value upfront. Both vehicles are equipped with a suite of modern safety features to protect you and your loved ones. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.